everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Yep, show me some love. Come on, keep it going. All right, so listen up. I don't know if you all been following Diddy, but if you've been following me, you've been following Diddy. And you know that Rolling Stones, they did a whole investigation. Yes, indeedy. They have been investigating, talking to some of the people that were part of Diddy's staff and victims and all that, y'all. Allegedly. Now, I'm going to say allegedly for everything, just to clear myself, keep me safe. All right. But anyways, for I think it was 30 days or something, they interviewed over 50 people or something like that. I've been watching a lot of the commentators, following what they've been stating and also reading and all that. And let me just tell y'all, Diddy, it is over for him. I'ma say it once, I'ma say it twice for him. And it's about time. Now, before we get started, yes, I have one eye is blue and one eye is brown. You want to know why? Because with this brown eye, I can really see what you guys are typing. And when people want to come in and join, I can really see if they are real people, if you know what I mean. All right, so let's get this party started. All right, so Rolling Stones communicated with a numerous amount of people, allegedly. And they are admitting some of the horrific incidents that occurred while they were under Diddy, camp and Diddy's care and Diddy's videos and Diddy's presence. All right, y'all know what we call him, the son of Chucky. All right, so the feds are closing in on him, according to Rolling Stones. It looks like they are amping up a grand jury. He may be possibly being indicted. Now, I know most of us saw that video with Cassie. Say yes if you saw that video. And that video alone shook me, like I told y'all, like a hurricane. I watched that video 12 times, and I'm going to keep on saying this because 12 is a good number, right? 12. There's 12 months in a year, 12 disciples, and we're going to end it on that note.